What is simile? What are the characteristics of simile? And how we are going to identify simile in literary examples. Hello viewers, this is Zulqarnain and you are watching English with Zulqarnain. In this video, we are going to discuss about simile. A simile is a figure of speech that directly compares two unlike things. To make the comparison, similes most often use the connecting words like or as, but can also use other words that indicate an explicit comparison. So Eleanor Roosevelt's line, "A woman is like a tea bag. You never know how strong she is until she gets in hot water." This is an example of simile. Roosevelt compares two unlike things. These two unlike things are women and tea bags. Roosevelt describes how women reveal the full extent of their strength in tough situations. So there are three characteristics of similes. The very first characteristic is comparison between two things. The second one is these two things should be different. The third characteristic is there must be a common quality between these two different things. So a simile is a comparison between two different things on the basis of a common quality. So there are some of the additional key details about simile. Because the comparison established by a simile is not a literal one, a woman is not literally like a tea bag. Similes are a form of figurative language. So while most similes use the connecting words like or as to establish the comparison they are making, so similes make comparison between two different things. Similes can use other words that create a direct comparison, including other connecting words such as so or than, or the verbs of comparison just like as, compare and resemble. Some similes have become such a common part of everyday speech that we barely notice them. For an instance, we say that I slept like a log, or the news hit me like a ton of bricks. So that's all in this video. I hope that you have cleared your concept about simile. The simile is a comparison between the two different things on the basis of same qualities. We use the word like or as to make comparison, and also we can use the word like as, so that the compare and resemble the verbs of comparison. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video.